the entire team is looking forward for this match. And I think everybody's got the blessings today, and with all his blessings, I'm sure the Gujarat King is going to win the match today. And it's wonderful being here. Ahmedabad has been really very warm to us, and I hope that I keep coming to Ahmedabad and keep being part of your Gujarat teams and keep winning. And we have more leagues like this because बहुत कम अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐसे मिलती है और ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपने प्लेयर्स को दिया है. वी हैव सम रियली वंडरफुल प्लेयर्स हियर जो गुजरात किंग्स के और अदर टीम्स में भी दे आर प्लेइंग. सो एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, एक अच्छा डोर खुला है जो यू स्टार्टेड अ वेरी गुड थिंग बिकॉज यंगस्टर्स मैंने जनरली देखा है पूल फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट खेलते हैं, बट ये मेकिंग इट अ लीग एंड मेकिंग इट अ गेम वेयर यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट एंड विन is really wonderful. I think किसी भी टाइप का गेम्स, मुझे ये लगता है कि आजकल के बच्चे बहुत मोबाइल में बिजी हो जाते हैं. So this is something very nice. अगर आपको इंडोर ही खेलना है तो at least play something which is good, which has little physical activity, क्योंकि आप मोबाइल में ही करते रहेंगे तो अंगूठे के अलावा और कोई physical activity नहीं है उसमें. So this is wonderful, really wonderful, and any kind of sport, and this sport specifically because this is first time in India that is happening. And in Gujarat, and it's Gujarat Kings, and so this is going to be really, really wonderful. I think you should say something because since you're the youngest owner, and you know it will encourage other youngsters to be a part of it and maybe start taking initiative in other games also.
For sports, we are planning to open coaching academies in Gujarat. And even to do the events, club events, school events in all over the Gujarat cities. So basically we want to develop sports as a business, and we want to invest more and more in sports now.
Pretty amazing actually. Hi everyone. I have to say that coming back to Ahmedabad each time is always a matter of joy. I'm really happy to be here, and this time it's special because I've never been here for anything related to sports before this. So yes, I'm not promoting my film. I'm not here, for any of that, and it's amazing to actually just be here to show my support for something in sports. And as a matter of fact, I've actually, in fact, never seen snooker being played officially like this ever before in India. So congratulations, to Padmanabh Industries and to Mr. Ashish. Actually, it's pretty commendable that you've taken this up in this manner. We're all so encouraging and supporting of sports, and I love how everything is evolving. People are taking up different sports as a career, and this is going to be even better. You're giving an opportunity to a lot of different people, not just this, but badminton and many others. I'm going to learn a bit today, probably. Yes. Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun, and as long as no one's judging, yeah, that's all.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. I couldn't have picked a better team. Obviously, the owner Ashish, I can't praise him enough. He does everything for us. He makes it very comfortable, and the event is going extremely well. I can't wait to play every match, and hopefully, I can make him proud and his family, and try to win every game.
We have our match for Gujarat Kings, and basically it is a Queensland League for snooker and pool. There are 5 teams involved in it of different cities all over India. So they all play each other in the table round robin format, and then there is the knockout for semis and final. This is a shorter format of the game, 10 minutes per frame. So it's also interesting for all the people and the crowd involved in it, and it is also interesting for all the players who play in it, because it's more competitive than any other league. So there are basically 3 snooker games and 2 pool games. 3 snooker games involves 1 item player game, item player versus item player, 1 mixed doubles, girl and boy, and 1 normal snooker match. And there are 2 pool matches. One is a mixed double pool match, and one is a singles match. No, it's dependent on the coach how he wants the team formation. Yes.
कि अहमदाबाद तो मैं कई बार आई हूँ. हमेशा मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब भी मुझे अहमदाबाद आना होता है. आई फील क्लोज टू होम. इस बार पहली बार ऐसा है जब मैं एक किसी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट के लिए किसी टीम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आई हूँ. तो आई थिंक ये और मज़ेदार रहेगा मेरे लिए और मेमोरेबल रहेगा, बिकॉज द होल एटमॉस्फेयर इज जस्ट सो हैप्पी एंड there's like so much spirit in the air. This is actually the first time I'm going to see people playing snooker as as in an event officially as a game with points. Otherwise it's always just for fun, with friends or something like that. So मुझे लगता है कि I'm very happy that I'm supporting sports in whatever manner that I can, and I want to wish the team all the best. I think sports जिस तरह से evolve हुआ है इस कंट्री में, बहुत एक अच्छी और बहुत बड़ी बात है. And Dhwanil, of course, is a very young owner of this team. I would just say that it's very commendable, and I love the fact कि आज इस time में, in today's time, ऐसा कोई age barrier नहीं है कि आप इस age में ही you can own a team, or you can be you can be a business person, you can be an entrepreneur, you can be whatever you like, and I think that's the most amazing part about being in today's time. Yeah. स्कूल में ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे गेम्स में हिस्सा ले चुकी हूँ मैं. तब मुझे बैडमिंटन एंड रिले रेसेस, लॉन्ग जंप्स, इसमें बहुत मज़ा आता था. वी एक्चुअली इन आवर स्कूल वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. हमने बास्केटबॉल, हॉकी, ये सब खेला है. आई थिंक अपार्ट फ्रॉम फुटबॉल वी प्रीटी मच प्लेड एवरीथिंग बैक इन स्कूल, but I miss those days. I miss playing it now, with friends. I think snooker is something that I would love to try my hand at now. Yeah. Absolutely. मैं तो ready थी कि मैं उनका टीम का जर्सी पहनकर उनके साथ टीम में आ जाऊँ, but they didn't want to lose. So next time I'll be better prepared. And I would love to play with them. Yeah. Sure. Actually मैंने एक शॉर्ट फिल्म की है जिसका नाम है कार्बन, जिसे हमने कल ही लॉन्च किया है. That was a very interesting experience for me. It's kind of set in a time which is way ahead of now. It's set in 2067, and it's also, I think it's based on something that is it's a subject or a topic that really matters to me. So yeah, it was wonderful being a part of that. I've never played that kind of a role before. You should watch it to know what I'm saying. And yeah, and after that I'm doing an adventure fantasy. ये genre India में नया है. It's an adventure fantasy, and we've just done like a small picture launch of it, just the photograph, just a small teaser kind of a picture. And I love the reactions that people have. Some people think it's a gaming genre. Some people think that it's a treasure hunt. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. It's called the name is Kosh, and yeah, it's India's first adventure fantasy. Yeah. I think sports के बारे में I would say anything related to sports, to a sports person, I would love to play the role. It could be any game. I just think sports people are all of them. I have so much respect for them, for the kind of hard work, dedication, determination that they have. Like, there's so much that is inspirational about them. So any sport, if I get a chance to play one of those roles in my films, I think in my personal life it'll really change me. It'll discipline me. It will actually make me learn something new, and in every way I'm open to any of those.
इसलिए ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज जो टीम ओनर है वो बहुत यंगेस्ट है. एंड व्हेन आई सी कि किड्स इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं या समथिंग, सो ये शायद हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है दैट वी जस्ट सपोर्ट देम, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर. एंड ये इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है. दिस इज़ हैपनिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड आई विश देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. और गुजरात में आके गुजरात किंग को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, ये गेम के लिए लोगों की जो रेपुटेशन थी कि बड़े लोग ही खेलते हैं, ये करते, उसी के लिए हम लोगों ने इनिशिएटिव लिया है ये, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बड़ों लोगों का ही गेम है, ये बच्चे भी खेल सकते हैं. और उसके लिए हम ये लीग ख़त्म होने के बाद जो इंडिया के टॉप कोचिस है उसको गुजरात में टीचिंग के लिए लाने का प्लानिंग भी कर रहे हैं और एक स्नूकर और पूल के लिए एकेडमी भी ओपन करने का भी प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं। इनिशियली वी विल स्टार्ट विद अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा, सूरत एंड राजकोट। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे सब जगह पे इसको बढ़ाएंगे।